Hi, my name is Danya Shakfeh, and I'm the founding attorney of Motiva Business Law. We have offices in Tampa, Florida, and Oak Brook, Illinois. Today, I want to talk to you about SAFE agreements. SAFE is an acronym for Simple Agreement for Future Equity. However, be careful because these agreements may not be simple nor safe and may not promise future equity. So what is a SAFE agreement and why do investors and business owners use them? Now, oftentimes when a business wants to raise capital for the growth of its business from investors, the business will provide equity, so shares or interest in a company in exchange for funds. And the way that the investors will benefit is that their seed money will grow with the growth and the success of the company, and the investors will receive a return on investment. However, in order for the business to provide equity, there needs to be some sort of valuation. And sometimes it's too early for that, but the business still wants to collect capital for the growth of its business. So that's where SAFE agreements come in. It's a simple agreement for future equity. And there are different types of SAFE agreements. And they are a relatively new instrument. It was created by the Y Combinator in 2013, and then they modified it and they created a new version in 2017. However, you can customize it to your specific situation as the investor or a business owner. So what will happen is that that's basically the business is promising an investor this future equity based on certain events. So, for example, if the business is sold, or if it reaches a certain benchmark, or if a certain time or event happens, and that can be customizable to the specific situation. However, if that event is never triggered, then the investor will never actually get this equity in the company. And so it's really important to negotiate those terms, because for an investor, it could mean a lot of risk, because if they don't get the equity, but the business does grow, then the investor is kind of out of luck. So again, these terms are very important to read. You don't want to use any templates. You want to make sure that it's customized to your specific situation. Now, if you are an investor, you can ask or you can negotiate for certain protections. For example, a right for the company to repurchase your interest, certain rights if the company were to dissolve. Another thing to consider is that under SAFE agreements, because the investor has no equity, then they usually don't have voting rights. But if you're an investor, you can actually negotiate to have voting rights in certain situations. And so this is a great tool for companies who are looking to grow, who have a promising idea and can pitch a good business and they just need the money. And for investors, they can be risky. So it's really important to negotiate the terms that are both beneficial to the business owner as well as the investors. And like I said, there are different types of SAFE agreements. The two main types are pre-money and post-money SAFE agreements. And this just depends on whether the business can provide some sort of solid share percentage to the company, and that may be based on whether they can provide a valuation or not. For post-money SAFE agreements tend to be more popular because there is more certainty. But again, it really just depends on your specific situation. So if you need a SAFE agreement drawn or reviewed, you can give us a call at 630-517-5529. or fill out a contact form on our website and we'll give you a call.